Hmm? Mm. Mm. Hmm? Ah!
Two boys having pasta on the 6th of July 2002. Good boy Henry feeding Daniel some nice pasta. We're in Poland. It's Jurek's 90th tomorrow. Isn't it? Good boys.
Daddy.
What you doing, Daniel? Daniel,
Daddy.
having a nice drink. Huh? What you doing? Say daddy. Daddy.
Daddy.
Hey, mummy.
Mommy.
Where's Daniel gone? Where's Daniel? What else can you say? See? Say see? Where's mummy? Mama. Mama.
Mama.
Daddy. Daddy.
Daddy.
Henry. Where's Henry?
Daddy.
Henry. Henry. Good boy. At our new apartment, aren't we?
Hmm?
At our new apartment.
No, not the apartment.